Puglia, Italy is the most beautiful spot on the Adriatic Sea. Pick one place to go to and just immerse yourself in it. This is
Yes.
Polignano, a Mare, on a winter day. And don't do too much. Just enjoy this natural spot. You can take the train from Bari and walk around. This is a Sunday in winter, just the other day. Enjoy every second you have in this beautiful place, Puglia, Italy. Highly recommend going there, even if you're not staying overnight. It's one of the most beautiful places I've seen in Italy. So enjoy it and breathe it all in. The air is fresh, easy to walk around, plenty of nice restaurants. And then half an hour back on the train to Bari, Italy. So if you wanted to stay in Bari, have fun.